Tired of cold calling and hoping for the best when it comes to landing Smma clients? Let's dive into how Lemlist can revolutionize your agency's lead generation with cold email automation. First, sign up or log in, then click into your Lemlist account. The interface can be customized to your liking. Step 1. Create your campaign. Define your target audience. Focus on businesses that fit your Smma niche. This could be restaurants, local businesses, or e-commerce stores. The more specific, the better. Next, upload your list of leads. Make sure you have their names and email addresses. Editing is key. Craft captivating email copy. Use personalization tokens to add the recipient's name, job title, or even company name. This personal touch significantly boosts open and response rates. The image should appear as a logo for your company. Now, unleash the power of automation. Lemlist allows you to set up automated follow-up sequences. Schedule these to occur a few days after your initial email or after a link is clicked. Experiment with different response times and email variations. Remember, persistence is key. Finally, monitor your campaign performance. Track your open rates, click-through rates, and reply rates. Analyze what's working and refine your strategy. Adjust your email copy, subject lines, or targeting based on the data you receive. These key metrics will guide you in optimizing your outreach efforts and landing more Smma clients.